Yo, Prof here. And we've got some Pokemon pulls for you. And no, these aren't boosters per se. Picked up 4 of these from Walmart. They're like not boosters. You can see right there. They have 20 cards and 1 foil. They were $5. If you can see in there, that back foil is probably the foil card, and it is bent, which means there's a high likelihood it's from a tin or one of those big boxes and not from a booster. If you watch the haul video, these are actually made by MJ Holding Company, which happens to be the Pokemon supplier for Walmart. Everything I've had shipped and sold by Walmart, or sold and shipped by Walmart, I don't know how you want to say that, has been the manifest have said MJ Holding on it. So they're for sure like a legit Pokemon whatever seller place. That also might explain why their prices fluctuate. Like sometimes they're more money, sometimes they're less money, and a lot of times they're more money than say like from the Pokemon company, but they're still like reasonable compared to aftermarket sellers. But they're making these then. I also saw these for Yu-Gi-Oh! And I thought we might as well see what's in them. If I don't get some of these, wow, the second box is really tore up in there. If nothing good comes out of it, I won't get them again. If I ever see them, I just picked them up because they were there. My only guess with why they're doing this is because like you can't get boosters. I have not seen, except at the hobby store, booster packs in person. I have the ones from Best Buy, but those are bought online. I have ones from GameStop, bought online. I have not seen any in any of these stores in person. So maybe this is a way for Walmart to have a booster pack at the checkout for them to sell. And this, to be truthful, won't turn away kids, but might turn away collectors, because they're going to assume all the good stuff is taken out of here, which I will too. But I picked up what was there, and you know, let's get cracking here. We got the box. If you're seeing, there's a lot missing there. That's because the previous video we opened up a battle deck box, and it had a butt ton of hollows with a lot of writing, and I might have messed up a few 2-3 writing wise, because the box is the Battle Arena decks Black Kyurem versus White Kyurem, and then there's the black and the white decks. So yeah, used up 11 sleeves per deck and messed up a few 2-3, you know. Alright, let's hit up one of these first and we'll see where this goes. These are these stupid cardboard awful boxes. Ooh. I don't think I have this series. So I guess this kinda kills the fun a bit. But that is a Giratina. Hollow, like true hollow. Not a reverse hollow. It is quite curved. So there's a decent chance that is out of a tin or one of those boxes of some kind. And let's take a look at what else we have here. We have Tag Call, Roller Skater, Palpitoad, Drill Burr, Pissimian. I don't think I have a Pissimian yet. Ooh, XY Evolutions, Weedle, Caterpie, got Lowland Vulpix, Prinplup, Tangela, Metapod, pretty badass looking Onyx, Trapinch, Sandy Gast, Hakamo Nose Pass, Caravana, Prof, Throw. He's probably a judo. Yep, judo. Alolan. Oh, look at me, so cute. Alolan Sandshrew. Alright, so that's what you get, guys. That's what? Mostly XY, I think. That's XY evolutions, and then whatever that one is. I forget. Cosmic Eclipse, maybe, or something like that. Alright, we got pack number 2. This is the one that I said was beat up a little bit in there. We got a Sobble in True Hollow from Sword and Shield. And it too is curved. I bet you I have this one. Or will have it. Because of, I think they include the base ones of those in something. Oh, I keep bumping the camera. Did I not show off Sobble then? Might not have. So here's the hollow Sobble. There you go. They're giving you true hollows, not reverse hollows. So far, none of them have been promos, but I think they actually are. Acerola, Missy's Determination. I love the X and Y evolutions is mixed in here. Nincada, Silcoon, Kakuna, Whirlipede, freaking badass looking Electabuzz there. Flaffy, I know that one. Metapod, tons of Metapods now at this point. Sableye, a Choke, Spirit Tomb, Larvitar. I like Larvitar. I like his tail. He's a cute little guy. He's got a horn. He's got a floofy tail. Skunk Tank. Turtonator. It's a big old turtle. Beldum. Alolan Vulpix. Metang. Slowpoke. Brooks-ish. What we had mostly there. Quite a mix actually. This time. Oh, I have bumped the camera plenty of times, it looks like. Alright, so next one. These are much less fun to open, guys. I'll give it to you that. But if you have kids, and you're just looking for cards for them. So here we have a Groudon. I think that's like a legendary. I might be wrong. Groudon, I think. Might be wrong. There you go. So, let's refocus here. We got Electromagnetic Radar, Chip Ice Axe. I like the name of that. Chip. Scraggy, Rattata, Saladit. Plenty of those. Kerballer, Weedle. Heck yeah. Whismur, Wimpod, Clefairy. Such a happy Clefairy. Shelder. the tongue there. Heliotile, Poliwag, Tang Growth. Didn't even know there was an evolved form Tangela, to be truthful. I think all these ones from OG are getting, that never had an evolution, are getting evolutions now. Apom, Dupider, Arbiotics, Chincho, Caterpie, Oddish. There's that one. I think a lot of these are pretty darn common. Common. So I can see this for like a kid or something like that, but everyone, they're definitely pulling out the good stuff. Because it's all commons, which, like I said, for what their intent probably is, probably fine. And our last one, which is our 4th pack, another bent hollow in the back there. I hate these kind of packages because of that reason. So you get your knife out and you just make sure you're not stabbing cards. But how did I get dupes? Look at that. I got another Sobble. It's a different Sobble, but it's the same Sobble. Different type of holographic. Different Sobble. Freaking deja vu here. That's even a common... I didn't even notice that. Like, Sobble's a common hollow. I might even already have Sobble. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Palpad. I don't think I have that. It's like a little triangle thing. I don't know if I have those yet. Dragon Talon. Don't think I have those yet either. Well, definitely don't have anything from here. Aaron. It's a freaking badass looking coughing. Nidoran female. Litleo. Omanite, yes. Gumi. Some of these have to be older because, like, I don't know if I've seen. Pukumuku. Sea cucumber. What is this? Azumarill, but a yellow one? How about what? Was the Azumarill always yellow? I thought it was just bigger ears and blue. I feel like that should be a hollow. It's a pretty cool card though. Silicone, Oranguru, Kangaskhan, Oranguru, a different one. This is the Kangaskhan I am used to. Don't know why, but it is. Like that, the attack wise. V-Growth, Dusclops, Shinx, and an OG XY Evolutions Electabuzz. God, those almost look like half-assed. I'll have to get my original cards out and compare them, but it looks like somebody put it on a scanner and went like really low DPI scan and popped it back out. I don't know how these were originally printed. I know they were Wizards of the Coast originally, but yeah, they always look like washed out. I don't know if they were purposely designed that way and like just lower resolution. I feel like they could have. Back then, it probably wouldn't even been digital. I wonder. So you think it'd be, unless they couldn't get them because they were Wizards of the Coast, but they had the rights to the image, so they did do a weird scan thing. Well, let's go over the pulls we had here. We had this guy, the Giratina there. Sobble number 1 with the vertical hollow. Groudon. and then soluble number 2 with the bubble hollow. Do you guys think these are worth it? I think for what they're probably intended for, allowing kids that I took their ability to have that from, I guess, but allowing parents and stuff to actually have other options for buying cards when they can't get a booster, probably fine. I wouldn't say you guys should probably go out and buy them because, like I said, they have definitely pulled out all the good stuff. And even these hollows, I bet you money all of these, because they're bent like that, from my experience, non-bent hollows come from boosters. Bent hollows come from, like, decks, tins, boxes, etc. Not that that's a bad thing. It's just that means inherently, even if they might be, like, rares or whatever, they're going to be less rare, because you can just go and buy that and get it. They also take a bit more damage, because they're just rattling in those packs. I definitely got some stuff I didn't have, and it was an interesting thing to do. I don't know if I would do it again, though. I'd much rather have a standard booster, but I mean, if you can't get them, it's an option. But imagine anything worth real money they've ganked out. So let me know what you think about this. What do you think about these repacks? These 20 with 1 hollow. I mean, I didn't get any reverse hollows, which would be technically even lower, I guess. Let me know what you thought, and I'm gonna get putting these away. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.